Now, here's meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your first forecast.
Well, the risk of severe weather for today is very small. We are going to be keeping a very close eye on the radar for today. Right now, we're just finding some plain old rain showers that have been moving through the area under cloudy skies. We widen out the view, and there's some steadier rain south of Long Island that'll try to make its way into southeastern New England here this afternoon. It could include some downpours, but unlike yesterday afternoon, around this time when there was already some severe weather popping up, we're not finding any of that right now. But the area that actually would be seeing that higher chance for thunderstorms today would be outside of Rhode Island or southeastern Mass, over western Connecticut and western Massachusetts. Doesn't mean we can't get one around here, but the risk is smaller. So mid and upper 70s for your temperatures here at this noontime. 77 in Providence, 74 in Coventry, cooler in Newport at around 72 degrees. So we will be keeping an eye on showers and isolated thunderstorms. Could see some heavy downpours if a thunderstorm were to develop. There's a very small chance, 2%. Of it perhaps creating an isolated tornado. So we are going to be here in the Weather Center throughout the afternoon and keeping you updated on that. I'll have more on my full futurecast coming up.
Now, here's meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 futurecast.
Well, here we go again. Another afternoon tracking showers in southern New England. So far, no severe weather. As we look at radar, you can see little blips of green here across Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts, and all of those representing those brief showers that have been passing through the area since the overnight hours. Now, looking off to our southwest, you see this area of rain, a little steadier, a little bigger south of Long Island. There's no thunderstorms in it right now, but it is an area that we'll be watching here for the afternoon. There is a small chance, again, of some thunderstorms developing, ones that could be locally strong and even smaller risk of them being severe. But the beat goes on for us yet another day. We start to see some changes beginning tomorrow. It's still going to be very humid, but we're going to up the temperatures, and we're going to bring down our thunderstorm chances and our rain chances to just an isolated chance. And this year, you're going to be remembering the 4th of July for the sizzling weather. It'll be hot and humid. Just a little morning fog giving way to that hazy sunshine. Temperatures right now, despite lots of clouds around, have climbed up into the upper 70s again in Providence, 78 in Newport, 75 Smithfield, 77 in Taunton. A little bit of brightening happening out over parts of the Cape and the islands. That's the nicest spot in southern New England today. About 81 Hyannis right now for the heat index. 84 is what it feels like in Boston, even with all the clouds around, and that's because of the high humidity. And it's that high humidity that's been helping to spark these storms. This is the wind damage reports from yesterday. This particular little dot that you see here of blue in southwestern Connecticut, there's actually crews from the National Weather Service office in New York. They're out investigating that right now to see if it was a tornado that touched down, part of this line of storms that brought that tornado to Windsor Locks, Connecticut. As we look at the satellite and radar, very unsettled in the northeast. We still have this front nearby. It's going to slowly drift towards the north and west. High pressure is going to try to build in from the east over the Atlantic, and that's going to make the difference for us. But notice these showers inching their way towards Connecticut and at least our southwestern suburbs, and that'll likely arrive as we head into the afternoon. So have outdoor plans today. Don't forget the umbrella. We'll continue to see that risk of showers, and well, they'll be isolated in spots. Damp conditions expected at 5 o'clock this evening. Clouds continuing to win out over any sunshine. We'll see at 10:30 at night. Low clouds, fog returning. Still can't rule out a brief passing shower through the morning hours tomorrow. And those morning clouds should give way to brighter skies in the afternoon. About 81 for the high today. Mostly cloudy, shower, thunderstorm around for this evening. And overnight tonight, areas of fog, humid, about 70 degrees. And then tomorrow's high is warmer. Notice the clouds in the morning giving way to a little bit of partial sun by afternoon, happening by about midday. Even at the beaches, mostly cloudy today, though, with that shower or storm air temperature around 75. Visibility is not great at the bay today in any of those showers and storms. So we have some heat on the way, but notice we'll bring down our rain chances. So showers and storms this afternoon. 86 for tomorrow. Even though I'm forecasting an isolated thunderstorm, I think we'll be fine for the fireworks displays tomorrow evening. Hazy and humid, mid and upper 70s. And if you're headed to the Bristol 4th of July parade on Thursday, make sure that you have some cool clothing for you. Lots of water too. It's going to be a hot and humid parade this year, but should be dry skies for the weekend. Staying hot, maybe an isolated late day storm on Saturday, but near 90 and certainly better beach days on the way here as we head towards the 4th and that weekend if you're taking some time off here. A lot of families getting together later this week here for the 4th of July and the weekend beyond, and the weather is going to start to improve, but keep an eye out. There'll be some showers and thunderstorms around here again this afternoon.
Mom, Dad, I love you. I'll call soon, I promise. Have a great day, everybody.